Welcome to the unveiled of XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant from to power button on this device. So now as you can see, we have now activated this feature. So just to link the Google Assistant, we should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the additional settings, then click here to gesture shortcuts and tap to launch Google Assistant. Now just click once on the switcher to activate the Google Assistant, and now just by press and hold power button we can see that the Google Assistant feature is turned on. And if you wanna again turn off this feature, you should go again to the settings application, scroll to the additional settings, then click to the gesture shortcuts, tap to the launch Google Assistant and click once again on the switcher to turn it off. And now by press the power key we can see here the power off menu. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.